Have you ever wondered how your tongue can tell the difference between a sweet scoop of ice cream and a sour lemon? It seems like magic, but it's actually some incredible science happening right inside your mouth. Let's dive into the tasty world of our taste buds. Your tongue is covered in tiny bumps called papillae. If you look closely in a mirror, you can see them. Nestled within these papillae are thousands of taste buds, and each taste bud contains about 50 to 100 specialized taste receptor cells. These cells are the real heroes of our story. They're like tiny detectives, each one trained to spot a specific type of taste. For a long time, people believed in a taste map, the idea that you taste sweet on the tip of your tongue, salty on the sides, and so on. But modern science has shown us that's not quite right. While some areas might be slightly more sensitive to certain tastes, all taste buds all over your tongue can detect all 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. So, how does it work? When you eat something, molecules from the food dissolve in your saliva and wash over your taste buds. For salty and sour tastes, the receptor cells have ion channels. Sodium ions from salt or hydrogen ions from sour foods flow directly into the cells, triggering a signal. It's like flipping a tiny electrical switch. For sweet, bitter, and umami tastes, it's a bit more like a lock and key. The food molecules like sugar for sweet or glutamate for umami perfectly into specific receptor proteins on the surface of the taste cells. This connection sets off a chain reaction inside the cell, which then sends a signal. Once a taste cell is activated, it sends a message along nerve pathways straight to your brain. Your brain then processes these signals and says, "Hey, that's a strawberry," or "Whoa, that's a bitter coffee." What's even cooler is that your sense of smell plays a huge part too. Your nose and mouth are connected, so as you chew, aromas travel up to your nasal cavity, adding complexity and depth to what you perceive as flavor. That's why food tastes so bland when you have a cold. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the amazing teamwork happening between your tongue, your nose, and your brain. It's a complex and fascinating process that makes eating one of life's greatest pleasures. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing science facts. See you next time.